Did you know that whole grains can significantly improve your health? It's not just a random claim, but a fact backed by extensive scientific research. Whole grains, the seeds of grasses grown for food, are packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. They play a crucial role in controlling cholesterol levels, weight, and blood pressure. Not only this, but they also lower the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and other health conditions. The Dietary Guidelines for Americans have a special place for whole grains in their recommendations. They suggest that at least half of all the grains we consume should be whole grains. This is because each grain or kernel is made of 3 parts: the bran, germ, and endosperm, each contributing to the overall nutritional value of the grain. Stay tuned to learn more about the wonders of whole grains. So what exactly are whole grains, you may ask? Well, it's simple. Whole grains are the seeds of grasses grown for food, also known as cereals. Some common examples include wheat, oats, and rice, but what makes these grains so special? It's all in their structure. Each grain, or kernel as it's often called, is made up of 3 distinct parts: the bran, the germ, and the endosperm. The bran is the hard outer coating of a kernel. It's packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This part of the grain is quite the powerhouse when it comes to nutritional benefits. Next, we have the germ. This is the part that has the potential to sprout into a new plant. It's a rich source of vitamins, healthy fats, and other natural plant nutrients. The germ is essentially the life force of the kernel. Finally, there's the endosperm. This is the energy supply for the seed, containing mostly starches. It also holds small amounts of proteins and vitamins. However, compared to the bran and germ, the endosperm has very little fiber. Now, when we talk about whole grains, we're referring to grains that have all 3 of these parts. That means when you're eating whole grain foods like brown rice, oatmeal, or whole grain bread, you're getting the full benefits of the bran, germ, and endosperm. This is why whole grains are considered a superior choice for a nutritious diet. Whole grains are not just about fiber. They're a good source of various nutrients, including vitamins A, B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B3, niacin, B6, pyridoxine, B9, folate, E, and minerals like iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and selenium. With a better understanding of what makes up a grain, it's easier to appreciate the nutritional value that whole grains offer. They're not just a dietary recommendation, they're a ticket to a nutrient-rich, balanced diet. This is why understanding these parts of a grain helps us appreciate the nutritional value that whole grains offer. Whole grains are indeed a nutritional powerhouse. They are rich reservoirs of essential vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. Each of these nutrients plays a crucial role in maintaining our overall health and well-being. Let's start with vitamins. Whole grains are abundant in several types of vitamins, including vitamin A, a key player in maintaining healthy vision and immune system. They also offer the B vitamin complex, including thiamine or B1, riboflavin or B2, niacin or B3, pyridoxine or B6, and folate or B9, which are essential for energy production, brain function, and cell maintenance. Then there's vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Next up are the minerals. Whole grains serve as a potent source of iron, vital for the production of red blood cells and transportation of oxygen in the body. They're also rich in magnesium, which aids in nerve function, muscle contraction, and maintaining a healthy immune system. Phosphorus, another mineral found in whole grains, plays a role in building strong bones and teeth. And let's not forget selenium, a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from damage and boosts your immune system. When we talk about whole grains, we cannot overlook the importance of dietary fiber. This nutrient, though not digested by our bodies, is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. It helps in controlling cholesterol levels, managing weight, and regulating blood pressure. Moreover, a high-fiber diet can make you feel full for longer, aiding in weight loss or control. Clearly, whole grains are packed with essential nutrients that our body needs. They're not just sources of carbohydrates for energy, but also provide a wide spectrum of nutrients that contribute to our overall health and well-being. So next time you're planning your meals, remember to include the power of whole grains in your diet. But not all grains are created equal. Let's delve into the world of grains and explore the differences between whole grains and refined grains. Grains, the seeds of grasses grown for food, are composed of 3 parts: the bran, the germ, and the endosperm. Whole grains contain all 3 parts, making them a rich source of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. On the other hand, refined grains have undergone a process where the bran and germ are removed. This results in a grain with a finer texture and a longer shelf life, but at a significant nutritional cost. The removal of the bran and germ strips the grain of almost all its fiber and many of its nutrients. Common examples of foods with refined grains include white rice, white bread, pastries, cakes, and crackers. Now, you might think, what about enriched grains? Yes, it's true that some of the nutrients lost during the refining process can be added back, resulting in what's known as enriched grains. For instance, enriched white rice has vitamins and minerals added back. But here's the catch: fiber, one of the most beneficial components of whole grains, usually isn't replaced in enriched grains. Moreover, there are fortified foods which have nutrients added that aren't naturally there, or they may get a boost in nutrients already present. For example, many breads and breakfast cereals are fortified with folic acid and iron. While the terms enriched and fortified often seem to promise added benefits, they can't fully compensate for the nutritional losses that occur during refining. So, what's the conclusion here? Whole grains with their complete nutrient profile are the most nutritious choice. They are packed with essential vitamins and minerals and high in fiber content, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels, control insulin levels, reduce blood pressure, and assist in weight management. While enriched and fortified foods have their place, nothing beats the nutritional completeness of whole grains. The benefits of whole grains go beyond just nutrition. They play a pivotal role in maintaining our overall health thanks to their rich content of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients. One of the most significant benefits of whole grains is their ability to manage cholesterol levels. They can help lower bad cholesterol, also known as LDL cholesterol. LDL cholesterol, when elevated, can lead to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. On the other hand, whole grains can also raise the levels of good cholesterol, or HDL cholesterol, which helps remove LDL cholesterol from the bloodstream. Moreover, whole grains can assist in controlling insulin levels. This is crucial in preventing or managing type 2 diabetes, a condition where the body either does not produce enough insulin or becomes resistant to it. Whole grains have a low glycemic index, meaning they release glucose into the bloodstream slowly, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Whole grains also offer a feeling of fullness, which can aid in weight management. Their high fiber content slows digestion, prolonging the feeling of satiety and reducing the likelihood of overeating. This can be particularly beneficial for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. But the health benefits of whole grains don't stop there. Consuming whole grains can also lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, the dietary fiber in whole grains can reduce the risk of several diseases. These include heart and blood vessel diseases, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Dietary fiber has also been linked to a lower risk of certain types of cancer, such as colorectal cancer. Overall, the role of whole grains in promoting health and preventing disease is substantial. They are not just a source of energy, but a powerhouse of essential nutrients that can help maintain optimal health and well-being. Eating whole grains can indeed contribute to a healthier, longer life. Now, how can we incorporate whole grains into our diet? There's a whole world of whole grain foods out there waiting to be explored and savored. These aren't just your everyday wheat and rice, but a diverse range of grains that each bring unique flavors and textures to the table. Let's start with barley, a versatile grain that can be used in soups, stews, salads, and even as a base for a risotto-like dish. Its nutty flavor and chewy texture make it a delight to eat, and its rich fiber content makes it a healthy choice. Next we have bulgur, also known as cracked wheat. This grain is a staple in Middle Eastern cuisine and is the star ingredient in dishes like tabbouleh. Bulgur is quick to cook, and its light, slightly nutty taste pairs well with a variety of ingredients. Moving on, we have millet, a grain that's often overlooked but definitely deserves a place in our pantry. It's gluten-free and can be used in everything from breakfast porridges to dinner casseroles. It has a mild, slightly sweet flavor and a fluffy texture when cooked. Quinoa, often hailed as a superfood, is another excellent choice. It's high in protein, iron, and fiber, and it's also gluten-free. Quinoa has a unique, slightly earthy taste and a fluffy texture, making it a great alternative to rice or pasta. Then we have brown rice, a whole grain version of white rice. It has a chewier texture and a more robust flavor than its refined counterpart, and it's packed with nutrients. It's versatile enough to be used in everything from stir-fries to salads and even desserts. Oatmeal, a breakfast staple, is another delicious way to incorporate whole grains into our diet. It's rich in soluble fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels. And it's not just for breakfast. You can use oats in baking, smoothies, and even savory dishes. Whole wheat bread, pasta, and crackers are other great options. Just remember to check the labels when buying these products. Look for words like whole grain or whole wheat as the first ingredient to ensure you're getting the real deal. Adding whole grains to our diet is easier and tastier than we might think now. So why not give these grains a go? Your taste buds and your health will thank you. To sum it up, whole grains are an important part of a healthy diet. These are more than just seeds of grasses. They are kernels of nutritional goodness, packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients. Every whole grain, from wheat to oats to rice, comprises 3 vital parts: the bran, the germ, and the endosperm. Each part plays a role in delivering a wholesome package of nutrients to our bodies. The bran, the outer layer, is a rich source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The germ, the sprouting part, is a treasure trove of vitamins, healthy fats, and other plant nutrients. The endosperm, the energy supply, primarily contains starches, with small amounts of proteins and vitamins. Whole grains come in many forms, from brown rice and oatmeal to whole grain breads, offering us a variety of ways to incorporate them into our meals. They are the champions when it comes to providing us with fiber, vitamins such as A, B1, B2, B3, B6, B9, E, and minerals like iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and selenium. While refined grains may seem tempting with their finer texture and longer shelf life, they lose most of their fiber and nutrients during the refining process. Enriched grains may have some nutrients added back, but they still lack the dietary fiber found in whole grains. The benefits of choosing whole grains over refined ones are manifold. Whole grains help control cholesterol levels, weight, and blood pressure. They also lower the risk of conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. The fiber content in whole grains not only aids digestion, but also creates a feeling of fullness, helping with weight control. In a world where the terms enriched and fortified are often used to sell food products, let's not overlook the most nutritious choice of all: whole grains. They are nature's way of offering us a nutrient-rich diet, unaltered by the refining process. So the next time you're shopping for groceries, why not switch to whole grains for a healthier, more nutritious diet?